Hi, welcome. In this video I am going to explain about how to draw a spline. There are two types of splines available. First one is the fit type of line and second one is the controlled vertices spline. Okay, so first you should know how to draw a spline. So first you need to choose spline from a draw command. This is the fit type spline, and the second one is controlled vertices spline. Okay, so both spline, the command is spl. The command of spline is spl. Once you type that one, press enter. It have three methods that I will explain later. First, you know what is fit type spline and what is control vertices spline. First, I draw a fit type spline. So the fit type spline that follows each and every point what we given for our record spline. It follows each and every point, and also it creates a smooth path without any sudden harsh and rash curves. Okay, so there is a difference between a straight line and a spline. It adjusts automatically itself and it follows the path, that is the point what we created to follow. Okay, so that is a fit type spline. So here I stop. So press enter. Once you press enter once you press enter, until that it continues. Okay, the next type spline is control vertices spline. The control vertices spline having a different profile when compared to the fit type spline. Okay, so the difference is it won't follow the path what we created. Okay, instead of that it creates some smooth curves before getting or before reaching the point we given to follow. Okay, the point it won't continuous and it follows the smooth curve, not the given point we defined. Okay, now you can able to identify what is the difference between the fit spline and also the control vertices spline. Okay, so based on the requirement you can use this kind of splines. So this spline can be used in a vector and cardiograph scales, and these splines cannot use in electronic devices, but we can use to define a accurate value curves. Okay, so these are the methods to draw a spline. And one more option, that is when you draw a spline you can choose an object. You can convert the object into a spline. Okay, for that you need to draw a polyline, not a ordinary line, polyline. You need to convert a polyline into a spline. Okay, so this is the polyline. Now I convert this polyline into a spline. Okay, so first choose a object and select a polyline, and this is a polyline. Once you select that polyline, press enter. Okay, so the polyline converts into a smooth curvature, that is a spline. So this is a method, and the method normal method, that is a spline. Here the method that shows the two different types, that is fit type spline and the control vertices spline. So the default spline is CV, so I need to change that to a normal one. So object, and this is the normal curvature polyline. Okay, so I hope you understand well about the spline concepts. If you have any doubts, give your comments in a comment section. Thanks for watching this video and thank you.